Hello everyone, this is Zakharov from InfoSharing 360.
Let us discuss the best way to answer the interview question. How would you deal with underperformance? In reply to this question, we can say something like employees underperform due to several reasons, such as big expectations, for example. If job standards and goals are unclear or personal issues, for example, challenging circumstances in employees' personal lives or inadequate training or not empowered to perform tasks, for example, don't have the right training or tool to do a particular job. So firstly, I would speak to the individual to get to the bottom of the problem. If issue is related to vague expectations, I will clearly communicate the expectations, job standards, KPI targets, and its measurement criterion. For personal issues, I will assist him or her in the form of leaves to sort things out, or if required, I can also engage corporate HR for assistance. If issue is related to inadequate training or empowerment, I will give him or her appropriate training and empowerment so that assigned tasks can be performed properly. For other issues, I would put a plan of what I expected of them moving forward and within what timelines. So that's the best approach for this question.
Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing 360. Thank you for watching this video.